Yeah, next time. We'll come next time.
Yeah.
The one we got right now is good for now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. Thank you
Maybe
so
next time we'll have
much.
smaller ones, hopefully.
Okay.
Thank
You have
you.
a great day.
You too.
Okay.
Let's go to church now.
What is in church?
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Dress for church.
I'm shaking. It's
So
very
cold.
cold.
So cold.
Heck. Grabe, lamig dito. Sorry guys. Napasubo sa usapan. Ako, ito yung mga ring barrels namin na nakuha. How many did you get?
I got 8.
Oh, not bad.
We'll use 3 of them so we can sell the other ones.
Oh, well, that's a good business.
Well, that
Extra
style of
money.
barrel is $25 instead of the 15. So
Oh, wow, it goes up? Oh, my,
no, it's the style of the barrel. It's thicker and it's skinnier, but it's still 50 gallons. It's just doesn't look like the other ones.
What? Are they different? Or?
Shaped different. That's it. The capacity is the same.
Oh, this one is
It's just
more,
shaped different.
This one is more skinny.
These are for the jalapenos. The jalapenos.
What do you mean jalapenos?
That's what was stored in them. They were used for transporting jalapeno.
This one?
Can't you smell that?
I can smell it right now.
Smells like we're inside of a hot sauce jar.
Well, I belong because I look like Mexican.
Yes,
so.
you do. In fact, when I said Filipina, she kind of goes, "What?"
Oh, she thought I'm Mexican.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can be mistakenly Mexican all the time. There was a guest in there that she was so mad at me for the whole
It's a
time.
cool little thing. It's got a
Yeah.
shelter with it upstairs.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
that's nice. Shit.
Yeah.
It's like a loop. It's like a loop on the top. Yeah, that's nice. That's cool if we build that in the Philippines. Like,
Right?
you know. But anyway, I think I'm thirsty. Sis Maria Malu, hello. Hello over there.
Dirt.
Oh, so they have a lake on. Oh, okay. I think we've been here.
Not this one. I don't think this one. Have we?
No,
Yeah,
yes.
we might have.
This was
Yeah,
the
yeah.
one. So that place was just over right there.
Yeah, the other one we went to is over there. The other boat launch. Yeah, we've been to this one too. Yeah.
So,
Look how far the water's down. Wow.
wow. So this was the ramp, boat ramp.
This was the red.
No, you don't have to go.
Baby, I'm not. Oh my God, settle down. It's okay. Everything's good. Whoa, Kevin knows how to drive.
I'm just saying.
All right.
Wow.
Look at that. It's all grown up with grass. So it's been empty this far down for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is no more a boat launch. It's not even a launch.
Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah. Where